Hi, I am Nirali and welcome to our channel Food Diaries by Jeannie. Today we will be preparing the monsoon special Jain Bhajia Platter. Please do subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to create more content. The ingredients for the bhajias are given in the description box. Let's start with the cabbage bhajias. We'll add salt to shredded cabbage. We'll now mix it well and keep it aside to sweat for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the batter for the other fritters. We'll add rice flour to chickpea flour, some salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Asafoetida, Carom seeds or Ajwain, green chilli paste. The quantity varies with your taste choice. Now we'll add about 3 cups of water and mix the batter well with hand or a wired whisk. Make sure there are no lumps left. Our homogeneous batter is now ready. Let's go back to the cabbage fritters. The cabbage has sweated well. We'll add red chilli powder, turmeric powder, Asafoetida, green chilli paste. The quantity varies with your taste choice, Carom seeds or Ajwain, chickpea flour, rice flour. The rice flour makes crispy bhajias. It also absorbs lesser oil while frying. We'll now mix the ingredients well. And prepare small cabbage balls for frying. The oil is hot and let's start frying. Make sure to put the flame or heat on simmer mode while adding the bhajias, and then you can increase it after all the bhajias are added. Carefully flip to fry the top side. Once the bhajias are golden brown, it's time to remove them. Decant any excess oil. And then we'll place these bhajias onto a plate with a tissue paper on it to absorb any excess oil. Let's now fry the other fritters. The oil is hot and we'll add about 2 teaspoons of this oil to the batter we prepared previously. This helps make crispy fritters. We have added capsicum rings to the batter and now we are frying them. Capsicum has a lot of water content. It may so happen that the capsicum rings may stick to each other. Nevertheless, the taste and texture of these bhajias are awesome and a must try. Once the downside is ready, we will flip it. The bhajias are now ready and we'll place them onto a plate with a tissue paper. We'll now prepare the cucumber bhajias. We've added cucumber slices to the batter and we'll now fry them in the hot oil. I'm adding about 12 bhajias to this wok. One tip is, if you slice the cucumbers and refrigerate them for about an hour, it will help puffing of the bhajias well. You can see the bhajias have begun puffing. We'll flip them carefully to fry the top side. We'll now remove the bhajias when they are golden brown. Our bhajia platter is ready and you can have them with raw mango chutney or pudina chutney. Do check out our chutney videos also. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you liked it.